Hi everyone! Today we are going to create that trendy DIY ID cards that have created a storm on internet. So keep up with me till the end if you want to learn the whole process. By the way guys, I created the whole video with so much effort, so don't forget to like and subscribe. So open your art book and cut a small piece with a scissor. Now, cut the corners to make it look like a real card. So now, we are going to make a card like this. It is going to take a little too much time, and we are going to make very small details, so follow every step of mine. At first, we are going to write ID card on the top left. Then, I am going to create two circles. Let's make eyes with them. I am using my favorite artist markers. You can use any other colors. Next, we are going to add some information, like name, date of birth, and skills. Everything added here is fiction except of my skill. My favorite part, little details on the bottom. A small heart, a paw, and some little flower petals and a flower. I again used my marker colors for coloring here. For the picture part, first we will draw a circle, then a line exactly will cross from the center of the circle, then we will draw chin. You can follow all the steps from the video. At the end, we will use poster colors to paint the card. Now our DIY card is ready to use. If you like the video, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon for more trendy art videos.